Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're in a Suzuki Swift, and we have here the CPAA Video Wireless CarPlay Wireless Android Auto adapter from Smart World. This is a great solution. It's a 4-in-1 solution. Will give you wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Plus, it's going to be enabled Netflix, YouTube. You will be able to watch videos from a USB stick, just putting in the back of the device, and also it has mirroring functionality. So a full-on 4-in-1 solution for an excellent price. We're just gonna plug in the device into the USB port of your Suzuki, and we're just gonna wait a few seconds for the device to be recognized. It's very easy to use. Just need to plug in and it's gonna start working. This device is gonna just connect with your mobile phone as soon as you jump into the car. Here we go. This is the startup page with our logo, and then here is the CPAA video. And as I said, it has wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. It has mirroring capabilities, play videos, and Netflix and YouTube. So we're gonna start showing you each one of the products or the features of this device. So first, we're gonna show you wireless CarPlay. We just press here and we have wireless CarPlay working with all the different functionalities, all the maps, music, everything you want to use on your car. Same as wired but wireless as you can see, just with the dongle connected, and it's going to automatically connect with your iPhone. So easy to use. Just jump into your car, we'll connect it through. So we're going to show you wireless Android Auto now. So simply press in here, wireless Android Auto, and we have wireless Android Auto connected as the same with all the apps that you guys use. And of course, if you want to watch Netflix and YouTube from wireless Android Auto, wireless CarPlay, you just simply exit and then you go back to the main menu, which is the one that has Netflix, YouTube, and all that. We're going to show you all these settings now. Now for Netflix and YouTube, what you do is you turn on hotspot on your mobile phone, then go to settings on the device, network and internet, and connect with your mobile hotspot from your phone, and then just go into Netflix and start watching Netflix on your car radio in seconds. And select the movie, of course, that you want to watch, and we're gonna watch this guy, Bad Guys, play. And we're gonna start loading the movie. So we're gonna put the volume up a little bit. And the music coming from the car radio speakers, excellent quality, no lag, excellent solution. So that's it. On Netflix, it's gonna show you YouTube. Same thing, just go into YouTube and just select the video you want to watch.
Shut up and take my money.
And of course you have to deal with the ads of YouTube like usual. Just skip ads and you can start watching the video. And if you want to make it bigger, here we go. So that's how Netflix and YouTube works. Also, you have mirroring, so you can mirror your mobile phone. If it's Android or iPhone, you can use that mirroring functionality. And if you have a USB stick, you put the USB stick on the back of the unit, just in here, and you can watch videos and music from a USB stick. So that's the CPAA Video 4-in-1 wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Netflix, YouTube, and more, and mirroring and more. So if you want to find more solutions for your Suzuki Swift, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.